That's a decent motor. Sounds terrible.
Alright, so here we're at a client in Batavia, and Gabe found this old furnace we got here. There are no doors on it, like Gabe said. Kind of see down here the way that they have this rigged up here so that the furnace will operate without the doors on it. They got a clip and tape on the switch. We're going to see this kick on in a minute. So Gabe, when you see... oh, here we go. There you go. So Gabe, when you see something like this, like a gas valve, an old gas valve just sitting here on top of the furnace, what does that tell you, Gabe?
There's been other gas valve issues. That's why it's been replaced. And you can tell in between the ports where the flame is going in, how wide and big that flame is, that this gas valve has not been properly calibrated. It's putting way too much heat into the heat exchanger, which is causing the heat exchanger to fail. There's breaches in it. You can also tell when it kicks on, the flame's turning yellow. That's adding additional oxygen and it alters the combustion rate.
So, not that it's urgent by any means, but you kind of go over here. Oh, you can see this. Back here is this is the humidifier on the back of the furnace. And if you notice, it's being held on. Gabe, do you have your light by any chance?
What's that?
You have a flashlight by any chance?
I do.
It's being held on by
Packing tape.
yeah, by packing tape. If you can see, is that
And
so?
you can see the components of the old humidifier.
Yeah, there's.
That's just there
They never even disconnected it, huh?
to patch the ductwork. That's why that's there.
Yeah. So, whoever's been working on this, shame on them. And said there was no filter in there either. So there you go. This is a furnace that definitely needs some intensive care, and we're going to be pulling this furnace out of here and getting a new furnace for this client. And we will get a little video of the finished product later, but for now you get to see what a really rough running, ugly, unsafe furnace looks like when it's running. Bill and Gabe, Patriot Heating and Cooling in Batavia.